All right, today is a little project. We're gonna do a little electric fence repair and maintenance. The first step that you want to make sure before you start doing this is turn that off. So then when you're working on it, it doesn't become a shocking experience. Had a little wind last week, so we're gonna had a post break. I'll take the Yamaha Viking here and go to the spot where it needs to be fixed. Got my bales ready for winter. Did some bean straw yesterday. And as you can see, that one blew out. Tracks right here broke off. Always want to pull these out if you can, because we're in a drought here. Otherwise, it makes a good flat tire seat. One of these years I'll decide how I want to make my bale pin, but I'm not sure yet how I want to do it, so I just use the electric fence for now. Keep the cows out while I let them out in the corn stalks and in the stubble here. So I forgot to take a handy little safety plastic piece off. There you go. Now that's off. And with as dry as the ground is, I like these plastic ones. They're fairly inexpensive. Yes, I do use steel posts and put the attachments on there too, but these are fairly economical. And when you've got calves out here too, then you can run the 2 wires, and it keeps them out. Now that's not in as far as I normally would like to, but I don't want to break the step off piece. And we're supposed to get some rain Saturday, or Sunday rather. So hopefully this ground will get a little easier to work with. But anyway, really simple. Just take it, put it on there. The bottom one here. It looks a little like it's got too much slack, so just wrap that around, keep it off the ground. There we go. Now it's up. And repair it. So now we'll head back, turn it back on, and test it. Got the Wonder Dog leading the way. Inspector's over there making sure I'm doing everything right. So I tend to cheat, and I use this. It's much easier than much nicer too than grabbing it. Turn her back on. So it's going to green. And so then you just hold it close to it and listen for the beep. That's good. All right, pretty easy fix. Take care. Have a good day.